Here's an unboxing of this rolling dumbbell stand. Comes in this cardboard box, everything inside of it, just dumping it out here. And you can see that everything comes wrapped in plastic. So it all arrived in really nice condition, no dents or dings. That's the shelf right there that goes on the bottom of the stand. This piece right here is one of the top pieces that the dumbbell rests on. These little pads go on top of that piece, and you actually rest your dumbbells on top of those pads. This is the other resting platform for the other dumbbell. And so you get two of those pads, one for each platform, to rest your dumbbells on top of. Then in these packages, you have the legs that's going to make up the height of the stand, and you're going to get two of those. And what you're going to do with those is screw those onto the base, and you're going to have some wheels that you screw into these two base pieces right here. So that's your base piece. Screw the wheels in, screw the legs on, screw the platforms on, put the pads on the platform, and you're good to go.